Why is it so quiet today?
Did you hear that?
Probably nothing.
Something is in the house.
It's okay, stay calm.
Don't worry, I'll find it.
Okay, detective.
Check there first. Okay, I'll look. Nothing. It's safe. It's moving! It's moving!
What is it?
I'm a little scared.
Let's check together.
What is that? It's just a kitten. That scared me so much.
We have a little visitor.
Best mystery ever. But next time, less scary.